In the previous class, we have seen the PUC and LOC, and we have completed that session. So today we are starting the simple inbound delivery. Okay, sorry, outbound delivery. So in the inbound, what are the different processes we have discussed? Okay, similar to that, we have the simple outbound delivery process over here. Okay, so what are the different activities are there in the simple outbound delivery in the EWM? Okay, so I have shown one diagram earlier also. So let me take back again. Okay. So here, this is the outbound delivery process, which we will going to consider in the EWM. Okay, so in decentralized, first we are going to create the sales order. Based on the sales order, outbound delivery will be generated. Okay, then this outbound delivery will be distributed to the EWM. After that, we're going to create the outbound delivery request. Okay, this is the first thing what we will going to do it in the what is that decentralized EWM side. Okay, and next thing we're going to create the outbound delivery order. Okay, then pick, pack, and goods issue. That is one more thing. Okay, goods issue will be done here. Goods, see, in the inbound delivery, we used to do the goods receipt at this particular stage only. At the IDN only, we used to take the goods receipt. Am I right? Okay, so here only we used to do the goods receipt, but it is not the case with outbound delivery. Outbound delivery, once we're going to do the outbound delivery order, okay, so then outbound delivery will be there. After this, actually one step is missing, I think. Okay, after this, outbound delivery will be there. Okay, OBD, outbound delivery will be there. So at this particular point only, sorry, once we're going to create the outbound delivery order, we're going to do the goods issue. After that, outbound delivery order, outbound delivery will going to get generated. Okay, without the goods issue, you cannot able to generate this outbound delivery. Okay, so we're going to see how it will going to work and all. But in the embedded system, what they have done, they have eradicated this step. They are directly checking, means they are doing the sales order. Okay, after that sales order, we're going to create outbound delivery order. This will going to get distributed to the EWM. In the EWM, we're going to just generate the outbound delivery order here. Okay, this is the PRDO script. PRDO. Okay, so once we're going to generate the outbound delivery order, then we're going to do the goods issue here only. Okay, once I'm going to do the goods issue, the outbound delivery will going to generate. Means it will be generated automatically, OBD, but we have to check it. Okay, here only we can able to do the reverse goods issue and all. Okay, in this screen you cannot able to do that. Okay, we're going to check how these things will be operated. Once we're going to do the goods issue, then only this document should generate. Okay, and one more thing. See, in the input delivery side, we'll be having only once we're going to create the purchase order, the inbound delivery is going to generate, then that inbound delivery. Okay, only one document will be available here. But here, if you are coming, one is the outbound delivery order, second is the outbound delivery. Two documents will going to generate. Okay. So why two documents if you are considering? Okay, here we will be having two documents. Okay, so why that is we're going to discuss now. Okay, so just a minute, clear this out, and the same thing I'll be showing it in the Excel now. Okay. So what we're going to do in the simple outbound delivery, we're going to create the sales order. Okay, sales order, we're going to create it through the PA01. This is the transaction code through which we're going to create the sales order. So just after the sales order, what we'll do, we're going to sorry. Okay, so after the sales order, we're going to create the outbound delivery at the ERP and only. Okay, OBD, outbound delivery. Okay, actually, this is the outbound delivery notification. Okay, which we're going to do it at the ERP. So here we can do it through two types. Okay, one is PL01N, that is with sales order. Okay, with reference of sales order, we'll be doing it. And one more thing will come. This is PL01NO. Okay, this is without the reference of sales order. We can able to create outbound delivery based upon two. There are two ways how we're going to create the outbound delivery. And once I'm going to create the outbound delivery, it will going to distribute to the EWM side. Okay, once I'm going to create the outbound delivery, it will going to distribute to the EWM side. So once EWM side is distributed, we cannot able to change anything over here. Okay, so means whatever the goods issue and everything is there, we have to do it at the EWM side only. Then one outbound delivery order will going to generate. Okay, or we have to maintain the outbound delivery order here. Okay, here the T code is /scwm /scwm/PRDO is the transaction to maintain the outbound delivery order. Once outbound delivery order will going to be maintained, then we'll be having the what is that? We have to do the goods issue here only. Okay, so goods issue will be happening at this particular stage. Okay, so here we will be having the source storage state picking and all everything activity is going to take place here. So stock removal, all those things activity is going to take place here. Okay, so then after that we're going to do the GI staging. Okay, see here what are the different processes will going to take means after this only the process is going to take place. That is like we'll be having a source storage type. From the source storage type, we're going to remove the stocks. So that is called as the stock removal. Okay, stock removal activity. So once I'm going to remove the stocks, that will be taken to the GI staging area. Okay, GI means goods issue staging area. Okay, we have the GI staging, GR staging. Here, goods issue staging area will be taking place. From here, we're going to do the goods issue. Okay, these many activities should be take place at this particular end. Okay, once I'm going to do this activity, means here warehouse task, everything is going to generate after this. Okay, so that it will going to create all these activities. Then we're going to after this, no, we're going to create one more document that is outbound delivery. Okay, so outbound delivery is going to generate. Okay, we're going to say OBD. For this, the T code, okay, you can able to maintain it through the T code, or else directly you can go through this screen only. For this T code, no /scwm /FD is the what is that T code to go over here. Okay, so this is what the simple outbound process will be. And as I said, why two documents here? Okay, why two documents are required here? Because in the inbound delivery, you have seen once the sales order is going to generate, outbound delivery will be there. Inbound delivery is going to generate. In the inbound delivery, once we're going to what is that? Inbound delivery only directly will going to generate inbound delivery, because here only we're going to do all the what is that put away goods issue, goods receipt, everything is going to do it at the inbound delivery only. But once here inbound delivery order will be there, and outbound delivery order will be there, then the outbound delivery is generating. Here, two documents are involving here. Okay, if you are considering there are two documents involved over here. Okay. So why we require two documents here? We're going to check it now. So we can see two documents over here. So why? Because see, let us consider if you are getting the orders from different customers. Okay, you are getting the orders from different customers. Let us consider C1, C2, and C3 are the three different customers. C1 is ordered, like let us consider how picking will going to take place. Picking will going to take place based upon the pick path or else the consolidation group. Okay, we'll going to discuss little later only. Okay, just understand this concept. We're going to be have a one concept called as wave. Okay, we're going to have one concept called as wave. So, what is wave and wave management is whenever you have the requirement. Let us consider you are getting a very mass orders. If you are in the big baskets and all, no, for every 15 minutes you may be getting around hundreds of orders in the big basket. Okay, so like grocery, people will be ordering the grocery or else some of the provision things over there. Okay, so you might be getting hundreds of orders within a 15 minutes. Okay, and you have to run this wave as a batch job. Okay, for every 50 minutes it should get trigger like that. Okay, or else you can able to do it manually also. Okay, it will be a manual thing also. So here, let us consider three customers are there. Three customers are ordering you. Okay, we'll just take some automobile industry. Here, three customers are ordering you some what is that brake cables. Let us consider they are ordering you brake cables. Customer one is ordering around 30 brake cables. Customer two is ordering around 50 brake cables. Customer three is ordering around 40 brake cables. So one person, okay, if let us consider this, whatever the order you are getting, okay, order you are getting, one you will going to assign to one person. Let us consider this, okay. You will going to assign to one resource. This one you will going to assign to a second resource. This one you will going to assign to a third resource. Then what it is going to happen? The efficiency will not be there here, okay, because all the three people has to go to the same location and they have to bring the same product, but efficiency is very less. Instead of that, what they're going to do here, we have said order outbound delivery order. So these whatever the outbound delivery orders we are getting, all these will going to segregate into the outbound delivery order items. Okay, you will going to convert this. They'll going to segregate automatically into the outbound delivery order items. So once we're going to get the outbound delivery order items, these outbound delivery order items will be accumulated and they're going to maintain it at a warehouse order. Okay, they cumulatively make a warehouse order. This warehouse order will going to assign to only one person. So one person will go to the picking area and he's going to take all these 120 products. Okay, the sum is 120 here. He is going to take 120 products and he will going to come back to the staging area. He is going to stage the product. After that, in the staging area, we will going to bifurcate. Okay, okay, customer one is order 30, two order 50, three order 40, like that. We're going to separate them and we're going to send the products to the different customers. So that is why we require the outbound delivery order here. Okay. So if you are not maintaining this, then your task will be very cumbersome. Okay. So what will going to happen for every order, the person should go to the pick area and he has to pick the product. Because let us consider you are maintaining, okay, your warehouse is something like this, okay, something like this, and here you are maintaining some cables, and here you are maintaining some brake pads. Let us consider, because these are the fast moving products, okay, brake pads and all, and cables, brake pads, all these things, okay, and here you are maintaining some what is that disc brakes. So something like that will be considering. Okay. So what is happening? Okay, you are getting all three orders. Okay, all these three orders. They are available at a single storage type only, but with the different bins. If okay, so single storage type means we're going to maintain it at the same activity area, correct? No? Same activity area. In this particular case also, how this outbound delivery orders will be generated is Based upon the activity area, they're going to accumulate the product. Okay, they're going to accumulate the order items, and they're going to make a warehouse order. This warehouse order will be assigned to a particular resource, and he will go over here and he'll going to pick these products, and he will be what is that? He will be means bringing it to the staging area. Okay, then we're going to segregate these products and we're going to send it to the different customers. Okay, so this is how we're going to do the outbound delivery. That is why two documents are available in the outbound delivery. Understood? Any doubts?
One question here.
Yes, yes.
For issuing the code, every we have to follow the sales order, only then we have to remove the goods from the warehouse.
Pardon? Hello?
Yeah. Every issuing the code, we have to create the sales against the sales order. We can remove the issuing the goods.
Yeah, again, the sales order only will be issuing the goods. You are right.
We have STOs, we have subcontracting over there also. We used to do the goods issue, right?
Yes. Yes.
For that also we are going to use the same process. I mean, only from outbound order and outbound order fixation, I mean EFP process, which we are considering right now, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So,
see,
yeah,
for
I
the
was asking.
no, for the what is that? What is that you said? Subcontracting process and all, we have to do the goods issue through the MIGO only. Okay. Through MIGO, we're going to do one outbound or delivery will going to generate automatically. Okay. So whenever you are issuing the material, no, automatically one outbound order will going to generate automatically in the ERP side, and that will going to distribute to the EWM. Okay. So then you have to proceed with the outbound delivery at the EWM side only. Okay. We are just discussing about the simple inbound delivery topic. Any doubts in this simple inbound delivery topic? Ajay, as you said, based upon the sales order only, the goods will going to take place. But whatever the items are there in the sales order, let us consider the sales order. Okay, one person will be sending one sales order here. Customer one will be sending one sales for him one sales order. Customer two for him one sales order. Customer three for him one sales order. Based upon this only, the goods which will going to take place. Okay.
See,
yes.
This first outbound delivery is EFM side, and then another is with PRD. Then FD will be there. Then last is a goods issue. But
no. Here we will going to do the goods issue. Okay. Then only this outbound delivery is going to generate.
Means in PRDO only we are creating warehouse order and task, right?
In PR, here only we'll be creating the outbound delivery order. Here only we'll be creating the warehouse task. All these things will be created here only.
Okay, then clear.
Okay. Okay. So we're going to see one. Okay, and whether I have created any customer or not, I'm going to check it first. Okay, if I have not created, we're going to create some customer and we'll proceed. Okay, I will check with the what is that MKVZ. Let's take. Okay, our purchasing organization is 1100. Execute. Okay, we have the vendor is there. Oh, sorry, vendor is for the this one. No, sorry. MKVZ for the checking up of the vendor only. How we going to see the customer? Huh? Slash and SC16 and I'll go. Okay, here we can see KN B1 or KN A1. Okay, in the company code I'm going to provide, and I can find the customers here. Okay, one customer is there 56. Okay, we'll just use this 56 and we'll proceed and just check in the BP. Okay, here it is available. Okay, we'll just check. vendor created in APLC. What is this? Okay, not an issue. Others will create one. What is there in it? Okay, I'll say person. Okay, so we have to take the grouping as the 00002. Okay, so actually double 0001 is not working here. So for this, some what is that? I have maintained. Okay, some number range. Okay, 16. I'm going to take, and I'm going to take it as a what is that? 1100 customer. Okay, pardon.
Yeah.
Okay, save it. FLCU00. Okay, we are creating the customer. So first, I will going to create the customer for the finance. Let us consider. Go to the company code. Okay, our company code is 1100. Click enter. Reconciliation account. 14,000 I'll give. Okay, payment transactions. Okay, let us consider 0001. Save it. And okay, external customer number. 1 minute. Okay, where we have to give some external customer number and give what is that 1100 first, like that I'll give. Let us see. Okay, A to Z only. Okay, I'll just do first. Save it. Required field. Okay, here again I have to fill. Then this one also I have to fill again. Save this. Okay, we have created the customer for the finance. Okay, now I will going to create a customer for sales. Okay, so here we will go to the sales and distribution. Okay, sales organization is 1100. Distribution channel 10. Division also 10, I think. Yes. Okay. Here price group. How to maintain like this concept bulk. Okay. Shipping I have to go. So here delivery priority, that is give 01. And delivery client and all, it is not required. Okay, here building we have to go. We have to give the tax here. Okay. Okay. And where else? What else we have to pay? Something we are missing. Import terms, let us consider CIF. Orders, customer pricing procedure. Procedure 1, let us consider. We're going to maintain this. Sales district. And take northern region. Hit enter. Okay, so everything is created now. Just save this. Okay, we have created the what is that one customer, and its name is first, or else we will going to take this A10016. Okay, we'll just check slash and SC6 slash row SC16N. Okay, and B1, give the company code 1100, execute. Okay, we have this cust is the customer for us. Okay, so we'll just use this cust and we're going to create one sales order. Okay, what are the different things we have to do? I have already shown it to you. Okay, we're going to create one sales order now. Okay, I'm creating the sales order based upon PA01. Okay, PA01 is the equal to create the sales order. And what is the order type? Okay, here we're going to take some order type. We're going to take it as a what is that? What we'll say? Standard order type. Okay, we're going to take some standard order type and we're going to proceed. Okay, OR is the standard order type. What I'm considering here. Okay, and these are the different things. Okay, which it is taken automatically. Click enter. Okay, sold to party. Okay, so I'll just say trust here. And here also I'm going to give trust. Okay, this is my sold to party. And just reference number dash QQ. Okay, date we have to provide, and I'm going to provide the today's date. Creation of this sales order is one headache. Okay, we have to create it very neatly. Material is 1100 mat 1. I want to provide to the customer. Order quantity is around 100. Let us consider. Okay, here if you go further, here we have the plant. Plant is 1100. Here you will not going to get the store location, but you have to maintain the store location in this. If you are not maintaining, then there is a problem. Okay. So no pricing pressure could be determined. Pricing pressure we have determined, right? Just copy it. Go over here. Order. See customer pricing procedure we have maintained here. Just a minute. No pricing procedure could be determined. The argument pricing procedure could not be determined because the entry doesn't system of table. Okay. We'll just check it because this customer side one we are very weak. Okay. Refer the further below following when okay create a condition table. Alright, we shouldn't do all these things. Okay. Social intervention and maintenance training. Please make sure your configuration page OVKK. Okay, this one we have to check. I need to check OVKK. This one I forgot. Okay. For the sales organization 1100. Okay. Okay, these things here, pricing conditions I need to maintain here. Okay. This is the standard one. Okay. This is the standard. Okay. This is the standard one. Okay, let us consider. Okay, here it will not going to take 1 minute. For the board, we have maintained for the standard PR00 is maintained here. It maintained. Also, we have maintained these things. I think it is about the distribution and division, right? So we'll just check that. Okay. If it is not there, then we have to maintain that. See 10, 10. for this 10, 10 standard. Oh, it is there. See here. These are the things which we have maintained. But what is the error here? 10, 10, A01. Okay. 10, 10, A01. 10, 10, A here 1. See, 10, 10, A01, it is maintained. Here 00. But still, why it is not showing? And,
Maybe it's the standard order you can check.
Or else
Sales
I'll
order.
just check this one. Okay. Oh, sorry. In the customer, we'll just change this. Okay. I have taken one here. It is 01. It is not available. See here. Okay. One only available. I'll just
Yes.
provide the one. Okay. In the customer, I'll go and pricing procedure. I'll give one. Okay. Now I'll save it. Yes. Okay. I'll go back to our sales order. Again, slash and PA01. Okay. I think now it is going to create. First, test. Okay. Payment terms. 001, 1100, mat 1. Okay. I'm asking for 100 quantities. Okay. Sales order is for 100 quantity. Here, client is 1100. Okay. That is fine. So see, once you're going to create this, what is that? Line item, no? Double click on this line item. Okay. Because you need to, in the shifting tab, you need to maintain the storage location. This is very, very important, and shipping point is very important. If you are not maintaining this, then from where you are shipping, okay, so that will not be available. And what is your store location? If you are not maintaining the store location here, it will not going to distribute to the AWS. That is the one place, okay. So my storage location is, what is that? AFS, right? From the AFS, the material should move, right? And shipping point is 1100. Okay, so this one I'm going to maintain. If anything you want to put, okay, you will going to check it. Okay, so go to the edit and incompletion log. Okay, go to the incompletion log. It will show all the incomplete things. Okay, shipping condition 01, loading group client 1100. Okay, this is not defined. Okay, not an issue. We'll just mention that and we'll come back again. Okay, so SPRO, IMG, here logistic execution, shipping, and here basic shipping. Okay, and shipping points and goods shipping point, assign shipping points. Okay, here we need to maintain the shipping group and loading group. They are asking me. We'll just take ours. Select by content. Just choose the plant and give your plant here. Okay, 1100 is the plant. Okay. For this, I have given all these things. Okay, so 01, loading group, everything I have given, and this one also I have maintained. Here, what is the error? Shipping condition 01, loading group, plant not defined. 01. Here 01 is there, loading group is there. What is the problem?
So from sales order, we will not be using storage location ROD, and then it will move to AFS. We are directly going to use with the AFS storage locations, right?
Yes, we are using the AFS store location, no?
Okay.
Because why we are using the AFS store location? The material is in the AFS store location, no? That is why, correct? So it's in 01. Loading group and location not defined. We will going to see this, okay. Like this, see, while creating the sales order, definitely you'll be getting so many different things, okay? So you have to process all these things, then only you have to proceed, okay? Combination 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, if is not allowed, okay, 1 minute. What I will do, where I have to go, shipping condition, okay? So new entries, I'll say 0, 1, client is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, okay? Just save this. I'm not maintaining the loading group here. So I will go to the sales order, just click enter, say okay. Now it is created. Okay, so these are the two things. What see, that is not, we have not maintained the loading group. That is why it is saying okay. So we have to give this okay pricing as well as the net value. Then it will go into complete. So I'll say complete data. I have to give some what is that condition type here. Okay, so I'm going to use PR00 as the condition type for us. Okay, just go down. Okay, here you should give the PR00. Okay, and give some value. Okay, some $10. Okay, I'm selling it at $10. Okay, now it is created. Okay, now go to the edit or else click on this. Okay, so see, document is complete. Now we don't have anything to work out here. So document is completed. Then it is all fine. Okay, we have completed. Just save this. Save this. Okay, so 186 has been saved. Okay, we have created the sales order as 186. So after creation of the sales order now, what we have to do? We have to create the outbound delivery based on this sales order. Okay, for that, go to the slash and PL01N. Okay, this is based upon the sales order. Okay, so here just take 1100 as the shipping point. Click enter. Okay, that is fine. So here 100 is the line item delivery which is available, and whether it is confirmed or not, where we're going to check it, again we have to check it in the VH01 only, but VH03 we're going to check it. Okay, I'll just go to the new screen, just open VH03. Okay, and this is your order, click enter. Okay, whether it is what is the what is that schedule lines. Okay, we need to check the schedule lines. In the schedule lines, see, confirmed quantity, it should be 100. If the confirmed quantity is 0, then you cannot able to sell the materials, right? So sometimes you will not going to get this confirmed quantity. So you need to maintain this confirmed quantity to 100, and again we can create the things. Okay. So as of now, I'll going to like, let us consider we are sending only some two materials. Okay, some two materials I am sending. So I'll just take two materials and I'll just save this. See, here also I'm going to get this particular message. Okay, the message saving that outbound delivery was saved and distributed to WMS. Copy this. And here I'm going to paste. Okay. See, our outbound delivery, this is one message. Okay. Until this is one message. And this is the ender message for us. What it means? We have created the outbound delivery, and this outbound delivery is distributed to the WMS. Then we can able to see if we are not distributing, if it is not distributing, then something error is there. Some error is there over there. Like that we should consider. Okay. So if the delivery is distributed, then all good. Okay, we can go to the what is that EWM side, and we can see whether everything is perfect or not. Like that we can able to check it. Okay, so just take this outbound delivery order, outbound delivery, copy it. Okay, go to the PRDO screen. Okay, I'll just remove all these things. Okay. Slash n or else I'll just show the path. Okay, logistics, under that SCM EWM, extended warehouse management, here delivery processing, under that go to the outbound delivery. Okay, so here ODR is there, it will not going to work with the EWM system. So embedded it will not going to work. So here is the PRDO screen. Okay, so maintain outbound delivery order. Okay, just double click on that. You can see here, okay, here outbound delivery order is there, then the outbound delivery is there. But in the inbound delivery side, you can see only one delivery type here, that is inbound delivery. That's it. See, inbound delivery alone is there. Okay, why? Who? I have already explained you. Okay, so I'll just give my number here. Execute. Nothing is there. Okay, nothing is there. Why? We have to check it. Okay, one thing we will going to check the SMQ2. Okay, SMQ2.
You are trying for both double one, double
Oh,
zero unit
is it?
change.
Okay, okay, sorry. Then we have to, okay, 1100 we have to give. Then execute. Oh, it some other mistakes will be there. Okay, so yeah, please help me with this. Okay, so both as you said, this will be the main reason. Okay, we have to maintain this. Then only we have to check. Okay, if we are taking some other thing and we are checking it, it will not going to work. See, even though if you are taking some different thing, it is going to give you. Okay, this outbound is created for some other what is that warehouse, and you are checking it for the different one like that, it is going to show. Okay, so I am just going to the SMQ2 now and execute. Fine. Yeah, it is available. Okay, just go to this. And what is the error? See here, field header, shipping office, location number is required field for further things. Okay, so if you want to see the full message, you have to go to the SLG1. Okay, SLG1 is the transaction. I'll show you. /o SLG1. Click enter. Here we're going to find, okay, object, you just put it as a star. And here user, I'm going to execute it. See, this is the one thing. Okay, see here, field header, shipping office, location number is required field for the action SDR, PDO save document header. Can you give me any point for this? How we can able to resolve? You already know this. Because while doing the inbound side also, we came across this problem. Okay, I'll tell you. This is there in the SCU. Okay, /n/SCMP.
Attributes.
Huh?
Attribute sales
Yes.
of this.
Yes, that is the one. Okay, what is this?
No, but we have maintained the sales of this, right?
No, /n/SCMB/SCU main. No, we have to check it. No, whether we have maintained it or not, it is going to show us. Okay, so I'll just go to the change. Okay, here go to the alternative. We have just maintained these things. So go to the new. Okay, and I want to maintain the sales office as well. Okay, see here, sales shipping office. Okay, so now there are so many other things also available here for us. Okay, if you are maintaining the ad management and all, we have to take the gate, door, all these things are required for us. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, door will take. Okay, and what else is required? IMBLP loading point we have to take. Okay, these are the important attributes what we're going to maintain for our. Okay, whenever you are creating the warehouse, you maintain everything. Nothing will going to happen, right? So what will be there? Okay, you are just maintaining all the what is that attributes for that. Okay, it will be there. Okay, let us consider if you don't want the sales to be done from this particular what is that particular thing, then we're not going to use this, or else we can allot everything. Okay, nothing will going to happen for us. Okay, just save this. Okay, save this, go to the error. Okay, just close this SLG1, go to this error, right click on this and say reset status. Okay, and refresh. Okay, it is gone now. Okay, and you can check the outbound delivery over here. Just execute it. So you are getting an outbound delivery. Okay, you are getting an outbound delivery. So here, see, picking status not started, packing status not started, loading not started, goods issue not started. See, what I'll do, we'll just do the things manually because I have not yet created the, what is that, Today I'll be showing you just one outbound delivery, okay, the entire process. Tomorrow, what we'll be doing, how these documents are transferring. See, again, here in the outbound delivery, we'll be getting the list view as well as the form view. Okay, this is the list view. Once we're going to click, this will be the form view. See here, what are the different things are maintained in the form view. All these things are required for the transport unit. Okay, it is not required for us as of now. Okay, whenever you are maintaining some TU management, no, that time it will be important. See here, document is there for us, and document category is there. PDO is the document category here. Okay, just observe this. Okay, anyway, tomorrow we'll be discussing about this. Okay, and document type is OUTB. What is the document category and document type in the inbound delivery side? What is the document category in the inbound delivery?
OIPD, right?
No, no, it is
OIPD and
PDI is the PDI is the document category.
And
Document type is INB. Okay, PDI and INB we have checked it. Okay, but here we are getting PDO and OUTB. Okay, and if you are further going here, it is going to show the status for us, all the status. Okay, and input terms and all it is maintained here. Okay, so this is the form view in the case of header. Header or as document type you can say. Okay, this is at the document level. Now let's go to the item level and check what are the different things it will be showing. Again, okay, it will going to show us the what is the material type. What will be the material stock type here?
unrestricted, right?
Huh? Unrestricted is correct, but stock type we have maintained in the EWM F1 and F2.
FF, right? FF,
No,
F1.
no, that is the FF is a non-location independent stock type. Okay, it is not depending upon the any location. But in the EWM, we're going to maintain it as a F1 and F2. Remember?
Right.
So what will be the stock type here? F1 or F2?
F1.
No, we are trying F,
Yes.
right? F2 will be there.
Correct. Okay, F2 should be there because you are sending the finished good to the customer. You are not sending the see F1 stock is not sellable. That one I have showed, right?
Yeah.
So if you are checking it here, it will be the F2 stock. Correct, no? So here the warehouse process type is automatically defined is 2010. If you have not defined it, then it will not be coming here. Okay, 2010 is the warehouse process type. But we have not defined any kind of staging day where it should go. 2010 is there. Okay, just we'll just see the WPT. You have already seen. Okay, that is why we can go very little fast over here because this WPT, how to maintain all these things we have shown. So we have already seen. Whether we have picking point or not for this. Okay, we got the order. We know the picking point for this or not. We know the source or not. For this order, I have got the order of MAT 1. This is the MAT 1, right? 1 minute. MAT 1 I have got. Whether I know the source for this?
It is available for sale and it is in storage bin.
Yeah.
Storage
No,
bin.
that's it. Correct. No? You know the source. Correct?
Right.
But we should give the destination in the WPT. But in the while doing the inbound, you doesn't know the source at all. Okay, you don't know the source. Correct, no? So that is why we have given the source at the WPT. Remember, okay, I'll just show you that SPRO, IMG. Okay, these things you should understand. Okay, very, very important. Yeah, I have the internet now. It shouldn't do like this. I have put the BSNL finally.
Why? What happened? BSNL usage Airtel.
Airtel Extreme, it was not working in my area. And yesterday somehow I brought the BSNL and I fixed it. Okay, I am just open the entire system.
But Sribhai, soon you are going to move from there to Chennai, right?
No, I am not moving to Chennai. It is permanent work from home.
Oh, you are providing permanent work from home.
Yes. That is why I chosen this company now.
I thought you are going to travel to Chennai.
No. So here it is coming, then it will vanish. It is load. Okay, I will go to the SCWM, Extended Warehouse Management. Why it becomes very slow? Extended Warehouse Management. Here go to the cross process settings and warehouse task. Okay, WPT. Okay, I'll just take my warehouse 1100. For this WPT, let us consider 1010. This is for the inbound side. For inbound side, what we have maintained, see here, 1100, and we have maintained the GR bin because we don't know the source earlier. The material is going to come and stage over here. So that is why we have given our staging area at the source, correct? So here we need to mention the destination. Destination at some bin, like that we used to mention. But right now, we don't know the destination at all. For that, in 2010, see here, we have to go to the 2010. This is the stock removal. We have to give our destination actually. Source we know. Where is the source? Bin. Some bin is the source. Okay, but this one we don't know. We have to fix this. Okay, destination we have to fix this. What is the GR zone for our? That is the 11 GI goods issue area. Correct? No. Getting my point?
Yeah.
Okay, so here I'm going to give some bin. Okay, so just save this. Now at but whatever the document I have created, I have not maintained this, but I have to give it manually only. Okay, here I have to give it manually. Okay, because see here, if you go down, you cannot able to see the staging bay or nothing you can able to see here. Okay, so this one I have to give manually only. Okay, others it will not going to consider. Or else what you have to do, you have to create one more document and you have to come back over it. And you just observe here, what is the item category? That is DLV, and item type is ODLV. There in the inbound side, we have the DLV, the item type is IDLV. If you have not forgotten, okay, so it is IDLV over there. But here it is ODLV. So these are the different document and item types. Sorry, item category and item types, and document category and document type. Okay, what we have seen. PDO and OUTB is the document category and document type. DLV and ODLV is the item category and item type. Okay, so now I'll just go for the edit. Okay, edit here. Go down. Okay, here we can able to mention your staging bay. Okay, what is your staging bay? G11 GI. Okay, so just give the bins. So the only here you are giving the manually. Okay, but later on it is not required. Okay, later on you will not going to give manually. So I'll go to the outbound delivery order, follow-on functions, warehouse task. Okay, and just save this thing. Okay, here you got the delivery. If you say create, it will going to throw an error because from where it should create, it don't know. System couldn't determine the source storage way. Correct?
Default values.
Yes, we have to give the default value from this. So I'll go here, okay, and I'll going to give some source, okay. All these material one is stored in some ST01, right? So I'll just take this and take some bin, okay. Whatever the bin you want, you see these are all the non-empty bins. Means the stock is available in these bins like that. Okay, just take this bin and say create here. It is creating. Okay, so it is picked the material from this particular thing. Okay, then say create plus save.
Okay, so from available bins we need to choose.
Yes. Okay. I have done the create plus save. Okay, and go and confirm it. Confirm what you are confirming here. You are confirming that you are picking the material. Okay, see here. Why it has taken? See, it has taken two, maybe two different bins or what? Why it has taken two lines?
Based on capacity.
Yes. Okay. So I'll just go down here. Just take this. Here it has taken one quantity. Okay. Just go to the form view. Okay, here this is the bin. Okay, what it has chosen, and here it is chosen some HU also. Okay, HU also it has chosen because the materials might be in the HU. Okay, so that is the reason it has chosen the HU. So I'll just close this form view, then go and go to the form view again. Okay, see here some different HU it has chosen because materials are with the different HU. That is why it has chosen like this. If you have the material means mat one, both the materials are in same HU means it would have chosen only one HU. Understanding, no? For it is in different HU. That is why it has taken two different what is that HUs, and it is showing here. In one HU we have only one material. In another HU we have only one material, like that. Getting the concept? Hello. See here is a storage ST01. Let us consider this is ST01 for you. Okay, I have mentioned the pin. Hey, Ammu, edukka? Okay, so we have mentioned the pin ST01, 01, 01, 01. So in this, the material has to pick like that. I told there. Okay, if the material is picking from here, if let us consider here we have some different HUs. Okay, one is starting from the 6 and another is starting from the 4. In this HU we have only one material, and in this HU we have only one material. Then how we should pick? Okay, where we can see that, I'll just go and check the material. Okay, in the monitor. Okay, let us consider we are going and checking the material in the monitor. SCWM/MOL. SAP I will take. Okay, stock and bin, storage bin. Okay, you can directly go here. Here, ST01 is your storage type. Okay, ST01, 01, 01, 01. Okay, only in this bin, whatever the different stocks are there, we'll be checking. See, in this, okay, only number of HUs 2 are there. Okay, 2 HUs are there. Okay, available stock, I'll say. Okay, here we have around 5 quantities, but HUs we have 2 HUs. Within these 2 HUs, we are storing products here. Okay, handling units I'll take. Here it is going to provide the handling unit. Okay, here in this handling unit, I am having how many materials? We have to check. Okay, physical stock.
I think it is taken.
See, only one stock is there. Getting the concept? In this handling unit, I am having only one stock. So from this handling unit, it has taken one material, and from this handling unit, it has taken another one material. If you are creating the next document, from this only it is going to take a next material, and it is going to bring us. Okay. So as it is having only one material here and another material here, okay, so that is why it is taken one material from different HUs, and this is giving us. Okay, understanding? No? Yeah. Okay, so I will just say confirm it. I'll just confirm it. So it is confirmed. Just go back and just see the whatever the completed status is there. Picking status is completed, packing is completed, loading is not yet completed. Okay, and goods issue also not yet completed. If you want to see the outbound delivery now, okay, just click on this. There will be no outbound delivery because we have not yet done the goods issue. Only when you are going to do the goods issue, no, that time only this outbound delivery is going to get generated. See here, what I am going to do. If you want to load, just load it. Okay, I'll say click on the load. Okay, see loading also completed. Okay, and I'll say goods issue. See, goods issue is completed. You cannot able to do the reverse goods issue here. Okay, there is no reverse option here. So for that, we have to go to the outbound delivery. Okay, earlier you haven't seen the outbound delivery. Now if you are checking, one outbound delivery document will going to generate here. Okay, see, this is the outbound delivery document which is generated automatically. Okay, here you have the reverse option. Okay, you can able to do the reverse goods issue here. Okay, so it will going to show whether it is in the transit. Okay, how it will going to move and all. It is in the add. Okay, we have done the goods issue, but still the components are in add. Okay, add means some truck is there, it is standing in the add. Okay, how to move and all we're going to see it in the add management. Okay, it is not required as of now. So have you understood the simple outbound delivery we have just now created? Okay, picking how the packing is taking place, loading we have done. If you are not doing the loading also, if you are just doing the goods issue, automatically loading will going to happen automatically. Okay, getting the concept? Here again we'll be having the list view as well as the form view. If you are checking here, okay, the form view, you will going to get the different document type. See, your document category is FDO, document type is OUTB. FDO it is coming. Why FDO? Because this is the outbound delivery. We have the outbound delivery order. The outbound delivery order, what is the document type there? Sorry, document category there. That is PDO. Here FDO is the document category. If you are and document type is same only. If you are checking at the item level, this will be same only. DLV, ODLV. Okay, DLV, ODLV is same. Okay, so these things we should understand everything. Okay, these things we're going to see why it is creating FDO. Means this should be having some linkage. No, if there is no linkage, then how come this FDO and OETB are coming and all, right? So what we'll do tomorrow's class, we'll be discussing about the document types. Okay, the how the distribution is taking place like that. We're going to check it. Okay, no.
Okay. See,
Yes.
this outbound delivery order and this outbound delivery, what you have switched just now.
Yes.
That is the FD, na? FD.
Yeah, FD transaction. I'll just go here /n/SCWM/FD. If you are clicking yes, it will going to come over here. Okay, so this is the outbound delivery and outbound delivery it is taken. See, no? So if you are see for this warehouse number, if you are just executing that number should come. Okay, only one document is there, no, that is why. Okay, see,
Yes.
correct? Or else you can just see it in the. Okay, 1 minute. Here is the maintain outbound delivery. It is never. Okay. Any doubts here? See, for everything we'll be having some different T codes only, but it is waste, okay, to go to the every T code. Here, loading is one T code is there. Pickup is one T code is there. Why we require all this? We can maintain everything in the PRDO screen only, right?
That is what I think here.
It is not necessary, but if you want to remember, it is okay. You see, in the inbound delivery also, we are having the TU, where is that? Confirmation page. Then for that confirmation page also, we'll be having some T code. Why it is not taking? Okay, 1 minute. What is the T code? /n/SCWM/TO/CONF. Okay. This is one T code to confirm. Okay. So whatever the confirmation is there, we're going to do it. See, confirm and say it is there. We have to just give the warehouse order number here. Okay. So for that, you will going to confirm and you will going to move for the warehouse number. Okay. We'll just execute. If anything is there, you can see that.
See, for this also background jobs will be available, right?
Yeah, for this also background jobs are available. Yes, you are right. Okay, here some open deliveries are there. No, you can confirm them. Okay, like that, we'll be getting the different T codes over here as well. Okay, but it is not required. To my this one, it is not required. You can just go to the PRDI and you can proceed further. Okay, or PRDI you can proceed further. Any doubts here in the today's class? Okay, so these things, okay, from how it is picking and all, we're going to check it. Don't worry about this. And we have to see the loading up of the material. Okay, initial upload of the material is there. No? We have to check that. Okay, so maybe in the day of tomorrow's class, I'll be taking this. Or else, if we are finishing that document types, okay, how it is, what is that? How the document types are linked. Okay, we're going to check it. After that, we'll just see the partial goods issue also we have to check. Okay, so then only we're going to see uploading up of the stock. Okay, After uploading up of the stock, we're going to see the, or else we're going to see the first strategy, okay, how we're going to maintain the removal strategy. Then we're going to see the uploading up of the stock, then we'll proceed, okay, because uploading is very, very important part, correct, no? Without the stock, we cannot able to do the goods issue. We have only few stocks, I guess. You can take it through the what is that, create the inbound delivery for 100 materials, and you take all the 100 materials at once, and you create the inbound delivery, and then you do the outbound. That is one thing. But if you don't know how to upload the stocks, then it is a problem, right? We will going to see what are the different things we should consider while uploading the stock and all. We're going to see. Okay.
Okay, Sri bhai.
Yes.
The meantime, so why it has stock upload also.
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. No, that is uploading up of stock. I'll tell you initial upload of the
Okay,
stock.
okay, fine.
So we're going to see that. Okay, maybe after 2 classes, I think. Okay, because tomorrow I'll be covering a document linkage. Okay, how the linkage will be there within the documents. Okay, because in the inbound delivery. Okay, here go back and just go /PL01/03L. Okay, this is my delivery. See here, we will be seeing the different documents. Okay, if you are going to the item category, here it is the TAM. Okay, and select this and go to the header area and go to the administration. Okay, here it is LF. How this LF and see, this is the document type, that is the item category. How this LF and TANR matched with the PDO and OUTB, we have to check it. Okay, so where they have maintained and all, we're going to check it tomorrow. Okay, we have seen it now in the inbound delivery side, same thing. Okay, we'll be checking it at the outbound. Okay, where the all these okay, even in the PRDO screen. Okay, /10 PRDO, it is not there. And in the PRDO /10/SCWM/PRDO. Okay, even in the PRDO screen, we have seen these are the different profiles which are available. Where these profiles are maintained, we have seen it, right? So, but we're going to check it again. Okay, where these profiles are maintained and all. So, like then we're going to move further. Okay, so tomorrow our work is checking this linkages and the profiles, as well as looking at the partial goods issue. Okay, so these things we're going to check and we'll proceed further. Okay, thank you.
Sweet.
Yes, yes, tell me.
That last transaction FD, we are maintaining that goods issue and other things. What are those? Warehouse task we are not doing there, right?
No, here /N/SCWM/FD is the outbound maintenance of the outbound delivery. Okay, see, this one is the outbound delivery. For outbound delivery order, you'll be going to go to the PRDO. For outbound delivery, you're going to take the FD.
Okay, outbound delivery order only we are creating task and warehouse order.
Correct, correct. You are right. Okay. So any doubts? Okay.